Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're gonna talk about how to use Generative Fill in Photoshop Beta. It's a step-by-step guide tutorial to follow easily, so don't forget to hit like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. And so the first what we need to do, we need to have an Adobe subscription, Adobe Creative Cloud over here, in which is I have already subscription with this. And if you don't have an account in Adobe Creative Cloud, you need to go and create a new one from the website. And so once we go here and search for beta apps and click on it. In here we'll have Photoshop Beta. You'll click on install. I have already the Photoshop Beta downloaded, so it will be like this. For example, like Illustrator, you need to click on install. And so once you install the app, you will be able to open it over here. So I'll click on open to open Photoshop Beta and wait a few seconds until it's opening the app. And so this is the main page or the interface of the Photoshop Beta, and it seems like the Photoshop normally. There's nothing different about it. So let's go and try to use this. And so we need to open the app. So we'll click on this button to open the app of the Photoshop. And so once we're here, we need to add a picture. So I go in File and choose Open, or you can click Ctrl O as a shortcut. So for example, I pick up this one. And so we have the picture over here. So just to set your expectations, in case you have any doubts about is that Photoshop Beta, just you can check, just once you see this icon, that means that this is Photoshop Beta. So here we have the picture, and we'd like to add more details about it. So the first what we need to do, we need to go over here to unlock the layer by click on this icon. And so once we click on it, the layer has been unlocked, and the layer is now be able to edit the picture whenever we want. And so here we need to get more space to the picture. We'll go here on the crop, and then I just go back a little bit. So here I will drag the left side a little bit. Just make sure to let this on ratio, and these two are empty. And then I will drag from down here once again. And so that's good enough for me. So I click over here on this check mark to save my changes. And now once I save my changes, I need to get more or to Generative Fill this space over here. And so what I'm gonna do, I will click on this button, and then let me go for here. I need to mark the empty place over here, but also I need to have a little bit of the picture itself, so the Photoshop or the AI of the Photoshop can figure out the picture. So I'll take it from here up to this way inside the picture itself over here. And then I need to click on Generative Fill. So here we have the prompt. We can write a description for the picture of anything, for example, add some water or remove some, highlights and so on. But if you'd like to just get more details, or if you'd like to get a similar picture, you can leave this prompt description empty and just click on Generate. And the picture or the Photoshop Beta will be connected to Photoshop server using the internet connection to generate a similar picture. So I click on Generate over here, and I wait a few seconds until the progress bar gets to the end. And so here it's been done, and the picture has been added. It has a similar picture as it and added a new bar. So we can switch between these, or I can go here and choose between these three pictures. So for example, I click on this one and swipe, it seems like that, or I click over here and swipe as well. Let's see, I prefer to use this one, the second. It seems more logic to me. And so to add another side of this section, I will mark here, and also don't forget to get a little bit on the top of the picture. And click on Generative Fill, as the same as before, we can leave this prompt as empty or we can fill it, but I'll go and click on generate. And also wait a few seconds once again until the progress bar, this one, gets to the end, so we can generate the new picture or the other layer. And so here as well we got a new side of the picture, and we can change between the layers, like this one, and see how it looks like, or even this one, for example. I prefer to go with the second option as well, and it seems very well. Also here you can write a new prompt and click on generate, and you can do this as much as you can until you find the result that you're looking for. So I click on generate once again and see a new results, 100% different from the beginning. So let's wait until the progress bar gets to the end. So that seems very well. So I click over here on this button to save the changes, and here we got the picture. And I would like to edit a little bit by removing this item. So I click over here and I'll go to mark this place, and here I click on Generative Full, and here in the prompt I would like to write stones, and click on generate, and I'll wait a few seconds until I get the results of the prompt. And so here I got this tone, or I can change to the second one or the third one. The first option seems very well, and this one as well. So I can save this here, and I have some layers over here. Click on the layers button. So we got the layers, we got the stones, we got the generative fill, the second one, and also we got the third one here as well. Also another thing we can do, which is editing the picture. So for example, if we take stones to recycle bin here, and we click on the plus button to add a new layer. So I'll go here and hold in this one and choose remove tool, and make sure to toggle remove after each stroke is ready. And so here, for example, we can mark this one here to edit it in order to edit this part, and once we remove our hands from the mouse, it will be edited successfully. And so that's how we can able to use Photoshop Beta in order to generative fill the pictures using the prompt edits and so on. So please, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.